Wonderful Tuesday, everyone. February 25, 2025, and it's a beautiful Tuesday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting, syempre. Pasalamatan din natin yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials and challenges. At syempre doon sa presence ng Marites sa paligid natin that inspires us to do more with our life. Shout out on Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cecil Boris, Mama Lulu, Luis and Susen, Jordan and Judith Sasil, CG Almendras, Fernando Dandoy, Gilbert Ramirez, Master Marvin, Mark Ace Alcopra, and Boslo TV. Yun. Kinanimpa Pagsibigan, Jim David, May Gumayan, Mabel Andres, Elizabeth Kibara, Ailey Magla, Edge Macalina, Winnie Claire de Santiago, Ma'am Glydion, at siyempre sa lahat ng members ng The Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is forgiveness of others, and most especially the forgiveness of self, is one path towards the healing of one's own self. Ayun. Keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, wonderful Tuesday, everyone.